So Anthropic just came out with a brand new model called Cloud Opus 4.5, and it's off the charts. Let me show you guys. I'm at swebench.com. It's right up there with Gemini 3 Pro, and it is rumored to be one of the best coding models to date. So we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to do something a little different, a little unique that I haven't seen any other vibe coders do. And one of my buddies showed me the strategy, and I kind of made it my own, and I'm going to show you guys as well. So this will be a super quick video and more focused on leveraging these platforms for top tier professional UI UX design. And let me just show you guys exactly what I did. It's kind of mind blowing. Let's dive right into it. Claude right now, I have the $20 a month membership, but you can do this on any platform. You can do it on OpenAI, you can do it on Gemini. I'm just doing it on Claude because I want to use the most powerful coding model to date. And I went and I made a project. I made a professional UI UX designer because I like design, but I'm not a professional. When it comes to user experience and looks and bringing them both together, you know, that's a challenging thing to do. I think I'm good at it, but I'm not. And I'd rather leverage a powerful agent that is. So I created a project, and you can build this on Gemini if you have Gemini gems, Claude projects, OpenAI projects, doesn't matter. But I think Claude's the strongest. So this is what the details say. You can screenshot this if you want to copy mine exactly. You can even make it better, but I was just experimenting. You're an expert professional UI UX app designer for all different types of apps. But I give you instructions of how I want to update my app. You will take into consideration the best UI UX experience for the user and provide the prompts needed so I can paste them in any vibe coding platform in order to make the update I need. At the same time, I'll look at the code base and I'll add this prompt every time. So here's what it does. I made this project, and if I go here, I can show you guys my first prompt. I hit this plus button down here, and I can add my repository from GitHub. So it actually looks at my code, and then I prompt it. I said, hey, can you look at the code base and see how you can make this extremely user-friendly using modern UI UX design skills and rearranging it to whatever needed to make it the most powerful, easy to use, clean version of the app, and as you can, and then give me a prompt to copy and paste into my bolt.new project. So I did that, and it actually went crazy. I made a couple prompts. I said, make it good for desktop and mobile. And there's a lot of screenshots, and I only could do like 5 or 6 total in Bolt. So I said, hey, put it into a PDF. So it actually made a full PDF here, as you can see, showing kind of like a visual of designs and giving more words and visuals. So it gave visuals, but it also gave a ton of words. And all I did is I copied all the words. I told it to put it into a PDF, downloaded the PDF. I went into Bolt, and I'm going to send it any second. The app I'm building is a CEO app, so it's basically going to ingest all the context for my buddy's company, and it's going to help him prioritize the top decisions and actions he should do that day based on all his calls that come in through Fireflies and transcripts, his expenditures, everything that goes on, all the meetings and anything that he wants to work on and he has ideas for. It's all going to go into a CEO brain and give him the top 3 things to focus on that day. So the UI is it's okay. I want to make it better. So I'm going to see what Claude can do, and I'm going to full send it. So it's got a huge prompt here. As you can see, I included the PDF. I'm going to full send. This is actually the agent I'm using is the Claude agent here, but it's not Opus 4.5. I just use Opus for the design for this prompt. And he went into depth. So we're going to see if Bolt can handle this. We're going to see what it looks like. You see what it looks like now. We're about to see what it looks like after. So here we go. One more thing before we hit go on that, I want to show you what it looks like so you get a better before and after. So it looks pretty standard. Upload files here. Top 3 for the day, week, quarter, AI reasoning. All the buttons are up here. There's the context, the tasks, departments, settings with the North Star. You got light mode, dark mode, kind of basic. The settings are very basic. So yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like dashboard, I guess, like on desktop. I'll give you kind of like a more of a mobile view if you guys want to see a mobile. So let me put it into mobile view here. Like an iPhone. So yeah, it's kind of what it looks like. You know, very standard. I don't like how the buttons are clumped up here. So hopefully it fixes that, but you get the idea. All right, I'm gonna full send it and we're gonna see what this new UI UX design is gonna look like. Okay, this looks a lot cleaner if you ask me. All the buttons are at the bottom now instead of at the top. There's a sidebar settings. It looks more like a traditional app. Still has the dark toggle mode, sign out. This makes more sense really than the design before. It shows just more KPIs and key things that a CEO would want to know. Active task, completed, pending, focus score, and then a little impact score on the different focuses. They can mark them as complete. AI reasoning, context. Looks like if I want to add something, okay, that's a lot easier. Then I could just drag and drop files, or I can add something here. Tasks. Yeah, this looks way better. This looks a lot better for mobile, at least. Let's see what it looks like without mobile. Okay, more standard like desktop dashboard look. Very similar. Okay, I like it. I think that's way better. And that's a little hack for you guys. Just go on to Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, create a project, upload your code base, your current code base, prompt it, and then you're going to get a much more expansive, like specific terminology and everything for redesigning it. And you're going to spend a lot less time wasting tokens, spending a bunch of tokens on prompts, and just have one big prompt, redesign it, have a professional AI agent do this for you, and just make it look legit. And I like this. Oh, it even has a little close. I mean, this is professional level SaaS, and I did one prompt, so got a lot more to do, but I like it. Definitely a hack. Highly recommend doing that. Let me know what you guys think. If you're going to try it yourself, like, comment, subscribe. I post tons of content here for non-technical people that want to build cool shit. They want to build software. They have ideas. They want to bring them to life. I'm your guy. I'm here to help you do that. So like, subscribe, share this video. I'll be posting more. Peace.